Ano dyan? Ayoko yan.
Hello guys! So maglalaro tayo ni Mr. Hops. Ayun. Nagsasalita na. Okay, yung nga kailangan mabos na.
Ano to? Poco 30?
Ay,
Ano
bata
yung
na naman
cellphone?
tayo ah.
Ano yung cellphone?
Iya, ayos ah.
Redmi
Yung
13.
tago. Ayos ah. Tintitak ko yan.
Maganda yun.
Uy! Aray! Oh, different. Oh my goodness. Oy. Ayan. Mr. Up! Ah! 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 Takbo! Takbo!
Ayan.
No! Ah!
No.
Naginip.
Esther, we are trying to sleep.
Naginip niya.
You woke us all up again. Did you have a bad dream again, Esther? It's not just a bad dream, Isaac. It's the same dream over and over again. Maybe it means something. Maybe it means you're going crazy. I am not crazy, Molly. Here you are, kids. More things for you to make a mess with. New toys!
Ay, Molly.
Siya yung babae.
Ito na yung Esther. Wait to show. Mr. Hops.
I feel like I've seen this before. These are quite creepy looking. No, they're not. They're adorable. I'm going to call mine Miss Bow. I'll call mine Mr. Stripes. What are you going to call yours, Esther?
Mr. Hop. Oh. Mr. Hop's Playhouse 2. Napipiliin ko yan. Hide and seek. Okay, loading. Well, okay, so pasok tayo dito. Asan kaya yung mga tropa natin dito?
Esther! Down here!
Ah, dito sa baba, okay. Nandito sila, sigurado ako nandito ata sila. Tatago ko. Okay. Oh, ito pala.
Finally. Do you want to play hide and seek with us? That wouldn't be fair. You can see Esther's big head from anywhere. You are so funny, Molly. Don't forget beautiful and clever. You go count by the lift. We will hide in the library.
Ginanyan pa talaga tayo. Kung nga nakaisip, dapat ikaw yung kaya. Ha? Ha? Diba guys? Ano to? This life has been out of order for 2 weeks. Please teleport. And I'm agreeing. Babe. Oh, ito pala may elevator.
3, 2, 1. Coming. Ready or not? Mr. Hop, you wait here.
Yeah. I'm crazy and trying to find you guys. kill it. I'm a crazy fan. Ooh. Hello.
The stars falls down from the sky every time you walk by. Ha?
Where are you?
Kumuha ka! Ay, ito may natatanggal akong pilit.
Ano sa ibla? Baka nasa sila, ano? Library. Dito ba? Ay, hindi ba? Kasi ni sa mga gilid-gilid. Ayun yun dun papuntang library. Tapos ano pa?
Lima. Lima.
Oh.
Yung isa.
Oh. Oo, ingi ng ano ng trobali.
Kuha ka.
Uy,
Ha?
wait lang, naglalaro ako ng hide and seek. Eh. Ano yun? Ba't? Ano sila? Uy.
Ano sa amin braso ko? Ano? Ano sa amin braso ko? Ano maasim? Tama lang. Tama lang. Sige lang.
Ano ba? Uy. Kailangan magtago. Ay, nauntog ako. So guys, dito ko muna. So hanggang dito muna, no? Kasi hindi ko sila maanak. This time na lang natin sila hanap. So yun lang. Bye-bye.
Maasim?
Kaya sa mga ganitong klaseng comments, mas lalo akong ginaganahan na mag-content talaga. Hi bro Kyle, I'm a huge fan of yours. You inspired me to play basketball from Interpurok to Mayor's Cup. And thankfully, I got the chance to be varsity in college school. I hope I'll meet you soon.
Bye-bye guys.
Yun. Yung mga ganitong comment guys, sobrang nakakataba ng puso.